Let's finish updating our main mod to 1.21.7. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. In previous episode, we had lots of headache regarding the NBT serialization. Now in this video, we have much easier time because the remaining things are really not that big. The only headache is that now we need to go from one class after the other one and make sure that we don't have any problem anywhere regarding the changes that we have inside Minecraft. Honestly, I know that in the blocks we shouldn't have any problem, but I got into the habit of going class by class, opening it and checking everything. So close other tabs. That were our blocks. Now machines are again something that we need to come back and work on, because as you see, they are just G blocks and things may not work later as we have it right now. The only thing that I'm concerned about right now is this gem cleaner, and we have this, and instead of to do, I have to write fix me, and instead of this we should say the unbreak is not the correct method to be called here. And I will talk about this in another video. However, it's not relevant to our updating process. So let's go on and check everything. Pulverizer, redstone clock, smelter, solar panel, tesseract, and wood stripper. Again, close all others. Then we have the storages that are right now simple blocks. Our angel block should be okay. Our elevator has it to do for mixing. Or and the right, okay, close all others, and that was our blocks. For block entities, the only block entity that is using NBT is actually our gem cleaner. So other than that one that we fixed at the end of the last video, we shouldn't have any headaches, and even the goo base BE is okay. So, oh, here we go. We have the lava eating goo. Okay. So read data. And here we say view dot, what is this? Log pulse. Oh, view dot get. I think we can go with read because you just provide a key and a codec. So get that. And this returns optional, I think. Yeah, optional of something. So block pause equals to that dot get dot or else. We don't have that. Get or okay, this get is bothering me here because it says without is present. Unfortunately, I can't. Oh, dot or else dot or. Oh, we don't have that anymore. Okay, this is optional. So we say var optional equals to this. Then we say if optional dot is present, we can say original equals to optional dot get, and it should now say that we can use a presence conditional, and that would be it. So that's our read. Now write is easier. So write data. We say view dot put. We need this, and that's it. Okay. Compared to the previous video, this is just walking in the park, isn't it? Again, we have this thing that is again the block pause. So let me get this whole thing and paste it here. Original pause and original pause. That's that one. Then the stone goo bomb is okay. Towering is okay. Tunneling should be okay. Water eating, again, it should use the original one. So just paste. Get done with that one. Water generating is the same, I think. Yes. So paste. Get done with that one. And this guy is commented out. Okay. Now, gem cleaner tick is nothing there. Gem cleaner BE is already handled. Block items should be clean. Command and suggestions. Hopefully, nothing should be changed here. Thank God. Now, we have a problem with our compatibilities. As you see, lots of things are commented out. The JEI should be empty. REI, we will have a problem here because, yes, we are not reading the REI yet. So comment that out. Then the config should be clean without a problem. And as you see, we should be okay even with game rules. Close all others. And that's our config. Then the data gen. Here is the first thing that we need to handle. Tags. Now, instead of get or create tag builder, now we can say Control R and replace it with this value lookup builder all over the place, and that's it. That's one problem being solved. And let's close this. Let's analyze, and as you see, it's finished and successful. The language provider should be okay. The tag provider, again, Control R, replace all, and we are okay here. Tag provider, again, the same deal, Control R, replace all, and we should be okay. Then the loot table provider, the datagen is okay. So model provider is thankfully okay because we are not dealing with shenanigans related to custom model renderers. And here on the recipe provider, we are okay. On the world, we should be okay. Mod place features should be okay. Mod world generator should be okay. So that's our datagen. As you saw, it's just a bunch of renamings. The flight effect, thankfully, is okay. The entity is empty. The events before player break should be okay. Killing entity listener should be okay. And here is when I said that we can modify our loot tables, but that's okay. The loot table modifier is where we said that we can change things. However, we are okay right now because I don't want to change anything. The server player equipable should be okay. Use entity is okay. And here we are actually, going for the tuner stuff. Then the items all should be okay in theory. The backpack item, the blueprint item, chalice. Now here we have something. Is liquid, is deprecated. Again, okay. Copper sword and their backpack. These are all okay. And then tuner item and finally this guy. So let me deal with that chalice thing and see what we have here. I'm not sure if this is correct one. Actually, let me try it. So if I copy it and paste it and do that, well, looks like the correct call now, isn't it? Okay, if the is empty, it shouldn't be empty. So if it's not empty, then please break the block. Okay, then we go for mixin that we have nothing there. Registry should be straightforward because we are using our own library here. So block entities, block items, blocks, mod commands, compostables are empty, data components are okay, mod effects are okay, mod event, flammable, fuel, item groups should be okay, mod items should be okay, messages are empty, model predicates are empty, ore generation is okay, oxidizable and portals are empty, potion is empty, recipe is empty, screen handlers are okay, screen renderers should be okay, yes, strippables we don't have anything, tool material is okay, trades and word generation are all okay. Let me close things. So we go for a screen, handler should be okay. Oh no, we have a problem here. Let's take a look. So here we are saying that gem cleaner BE is not within its bounds, should implement the iStorage provider of inventory storage. Didn't I? What the heck? You know what? J inventory. No, that's correct because T extends that and B extends the simple inventory. So what's wrong with you? It says is not within its bound, should implement the interface iStorage provider. Yeah, okay, didn't I? Of inventory storage, didn't I? Let's take a look. iStorage provider. Oh, I didn't. Okay, so we say implement iStorage provider of simple inventory. Am I right? Inventory storage. And inventory storage, simple inventory is actually, let me take a look. It implements inventory and we are asking for inventory storage. No, no. So that's not simple inventory, inventory storage. So if I want to now implement methods, get the storage providers. Oh yeah, I should have done it. Actually, no, because this is my own library and now I need to know. Actually, I should have done it inside JInventory. Get inventory storage, get inventory storage, that returns inventory storage, that returns inventory storage. So all I forgot is that I need to implement the interface. Okay, that's it to do for the library, not here. Implement in the interface in the parent JInventory class. Okay, and that should be it. What's wrong with you now? Inventory connector. Wow, I forgot lots of things. I forgot how my own system works, but that's it basically. Now this part should be inside the JInventory, but this guy again should be part of the JInventory. I shouldn't have to do these things here. Okay, let's remove this guy from here up into here. Then that was the gem cleaner screen handler. It had nothing to do with the updates, but my own library. This is okay. Now world is empty client. Here we have two problems. First, the block render layer map moved its position. So it's now inside somewhere else, and then we don't have these instances. So let's get these and remove the instance. Then we don't need that. And here again, we don't have the instance. Now, instead of render layer get cut out, we have block render layer dot cutout instead of a method call. And every time I have a cutout, I will paste that guy. So Control R, paste, replace all. Translucent should be the same thing. So block render layer dot translucent. And again, copy it, select one of these, Control R, paste, replace all. And that's it. Again, this is related to render pipeline. Okay, now data gen should be okay. Our main should be clean. And finally, our reference is okay. So I'm not going to run the game or run the data gen or anything like that. But bottom line is that everything should work now, because the only thing we had to do is related to the render pipeline, the data gen, and few shenanigans, again, related to the MBT stuff. However, between the two episodes, I will go back and record another video, and I will implement these two interfaces into my JInventory library. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.